In this short video, we will teach you how to download and start market replay in NinjaTrader 7. This will be extremely useful in studying the Nexgen trading rules. Ninja 7 must be connected to a live data source. Make sure it is connected to either your demo subscription or your live Ninja account. Then you will use the file New Chart menu to create a dynamic Renko chart that has 30 days of historical tick data. You do not need to apply indicators to this chart. This will populate the required historical tick data needed for Fibonacci levels. While live data is still connected, you will use the file Utilities Download Replay Data menu to download the days of data you wish to replay. It is especially important that you double-check the market, contract month, and date of the data you wish to download. You may repeat this process for as many days as you wish to replay. After you have downloaded the data for the days you wish to replay, you will use the file Disconnect menu to disconnect from your live data source. Next, you will use the file Connect menu. Select Market Replay Connection from the list of available data connections. This will connect NinjaTrader 7 to the data that you have downloaded to replay. Once connected to the replay data source, you will see a menu with the days of data you have downloaded. It is important that you first select the exact day you wish to replay first. Once you have the first date selected, this will show as the from date, and the last day that will play will be the to date. You will now be ready to move on to the next step. After your days to replay are selected, you will be required to build a new chart for each timeframe that you wish to include in your replay. Unfortunately, in NinjaTrader 7, you will not be able to use an existing workspace to do market replay. If you try to open a workspace, your indicators will not plot correctly. To make sure that your charts are accurate for replay, you will use the instructions to build a new chart, making sure that the chart uses 30 days of data, and apply the appropriate chart template for the timeframe chart you wish to plot. After your charts are built, you will now be able to use the play menu to play the market forward from midnight. Use the single play button to play the market replay data at 1x speed. You may also pause the replay data at any time using the pause button. A very handy tool that you will use constantly to speed through the day's worth of data will be the double arrow play button. Each time you push the button, the play speed will increase. The maximum replay speed for NinjaTrader 7 is 500 times normal speed. Most of the Nexgen users will use no more than 30 times speed when attempting to find trading setups. Once the market is nearing a setup, push the pause or single play speed. As you are ready to place the trade, you may then use the play button to speed up the market. You may experiment with different speeds to find what works best for you. At Nexgen, we find looking for one or two very specific conditions during replay is best. If you try to study every setup, every nuance, and every condition during replay, your time will not be focused. If you focus on one or two key ideas per replay session, you will find this is usually optimal. Remember, you should trade on simulator during the day. Taking pictures of your trades and any opportunities and adding those to your trade tracking sheet. To reinforce the lessons of the day, a quick 30-minute replay session will help ingrain the setups you have learned that day. Thank you for trusting Nexgen with your Fibonacci analysis.